G'day y'all, this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 house, out with the dog, doing my walk. All this has all been slashed down, used to be all treed up, and I used to bring the dog here, do our walks, but now it's all torn down and regrown. Good. Happy 420 all from Loner 420 house. It's summertime, so I brought my own ashtray here. That way I won't be starting any fires, right? So again, happy Friday to all. This is all the clearing that they've done. And happy 420. Genghis is over there in the trees. And we got a hawk right above me right here. Hopefully I have it. Having my 420 hour and the hawk's flying right over me. Awesome. Again, happy Friday. Happy 420. From Loner 420 house. Peace all.